niya, yung unang gawa. So, ang kinailangan ko lang remedyohan at i-compromise yung size no sunflower. So guys, i-reveal na natin, ipapakita na natin yung before and after ng tattoo na to. So guys, maraming salamat sa pananood, and I hope you like this video and yung cover up tattoo natin as well. So hopefully na-satisfy natin yung client natin for today's video. So sa mga gusto magpa-tattoo dyan, PM lang po kayo sa account ko na Mark James Geronimo or sa Facebook page na Marka Tattoo. So bukod po sa tattooing guys, tumatanggap din po ako ng charcoal portrait, commission painting, oil paint, mural painting. So PM lang po kayo if interested. So thank you so much guys, and see you next time.